Senator Lautenbaugh's bill LB 382, or the earn time law, is getting a lot of attention this session. With Governor Dave Heineman and Attorney General John Bruning working to get the bill through the legislature, News 5 caught up with some of the Republican candidates vying to take Heineman's and Bruning's seats. We asked them what they think of good time versus earn time.
For our violent offenders here in Nebraska, we want to keep them incarcerated, and so making an earn time law is absolutely appropriate. We've got to determine who we're mad at and who we're afraid of, and for violent offenders, we want them incarcerated.
Well, I certainly think that violent offenders ought to have to earn that good time, not receive it automatically, which is what is in place today. I'm a co-sponsor of the bill. I very much support the bill.
It should be earned time, not good time. You have a sentence, you ought to serve that sentence. There certainly ought to be opportunities for you to reduce your sentence but as long as you earn it. And so I do think those reforms are on the right track.
Making sure that we always have a place in our prisons for the most violent offenders who do pose real threat to our family's safety.
There's some repetitive criminals who still get good time, which I think needs to change. And if I'm Attorney General, I'm going to lead the charge to try to change the law so that folks who are repetitive criminals, who are violent criminals, do not get good time.
Testimony for LB 832, or the earn time law, was heard in front of the Judiciary Committee on February 12th. The bill has not yet been voted on.